driving in my truck with a little tire on top. I just look like a complete retard. I can't take my truck though to get the tire fixed because the guy who owns the tires doesn't want me to beat the shit out of them, and no tire repair place will actually repair a tire like that. So we're gonna have to try and get the tire into this car, hopefully. Being in this car is like being transported back to the 70s. Everything's made of velvet. And a sudden urge to do some disco. Got your fake wood and your old-timey speedometer that looks more like an old-time radio. Gaping hole in your dash. Good old-fashioned sagging roof. Big tire. Oh, the 70s. What a misguided time. Like, one credit to the 70s, though, is this car drives like I am driving on a platform. Just gliding over these bumps. Nothing. I've accidentally left my indicator on. I think this is the kind of car that people drive when they finally accepted they're going to die very, very soon. I can already feel my youth being drained out. This car is like an elephant graveyard. All these thoughts flooding in, suddenly feel old, feel like playing lawn bowling and getting doilies for my house. Finally arrived at the tire shop. It's only cost me probably about 10 years of my youth and all of my dignity. Now I just have to attempt to get the tire out of the car. Oh no, I've knocked over the viewers. 3 viewers. Oh no, look what I've done! Torn a hole in the roof with my tire. There, we've mended the roof. No one will be able to tell the difference. It's exactly what it looked like before. So we got the tire fixed, but one thing I didn't account for was now that there's air pressure in the tire, I'm not going to be able to get it inside of the car. So I have to attempt to force it into the trunk, tie it down, or put it on the roof.
Going all the way back to Kelowna?
Yeah, well, just across the bridge. So, couldn't get the tire to quite fit in, so I had to hold the trunk down, coat hanger. Got it out of the car finally and onto the truck. If you haven't noticed, my cameraman is gone, so I've been operating the camera all by myself. The reason for that is he did a terrible job with the last video, and I haven't replaced him because I don't really tell a lot of people about this video log because, well, to be honest, anyone who watches this probably thinks that I'm a lunatic and a retard, which isn't entirely inaccurate. Best that they don't know. So stay tuned for my next video where if everything continues as it has been, I'll be lighting myself on fire.